Reporting live from MSC World America. This is the inaugural selling out of Miami. No one, I'm pretty sure, has ever stayed in this room. So I'm super excited to be here and to show you guys everything about this brand new, beautiful balcony room. Absolutely gorgeous. So I will start the video with a little room tour and then we'll get this show on the road. Mwah. I wanted to tell you quickly about Terminal AA in PortMiami. It is the world's largest cruise terminal. It can hold actually up to 3 mega ships. It's the first in its industry to have a complete biometric journey, and it made check-in so much easier. There's even a people mover in this terminal, get you to the ship. I feel like they thought of everything. It was very futuristic walking through the second time. It was super simple because since I already scanned my passport, and then when I scanned my passport, it took a picture of me. Coming now onto the ship, it is all photo recognized. So you don't have to go through all that scanning of the key cards. It's all attached to your face. It's facially recognized. So I like that.
Welcome to the MSC World America. You're home away from home.
Wow. Thank you. Hi. Thank you.
Enjoy vacation and have a great day.
Thank you. Boarding pass is in the wallet, which is really cool. J. Now I have to go to J. Okay, let's tour room 9203 on board the brand new MSC World of America ship. As soon as you enter, the bathroom is here. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Pretty normal sized cruise bathroom, nothing crazy. There's a full length mirror, which I love because I've been on a few cruises that don't have a full length mirror. How am I supposed to see what I look like? This room sleeps for, this is a queen bed. Cute. It reminds me of a hotel actually. It's very spacious. And I love when they include these so you can put your luggage on here and not dirty up the sheets. Then there's a pull-out couch. This is a very big couch. I don't think I've ever seen such a big couch in a cruise room, but there's a little thing of grease, cute picture, and a humongous couch. And then over here is your normal cruise deal. Mini bar. Okay, we have fruit juice, 4 sodas, $3.50, water, couple beers. Nice that they include this. It's the little things that count. Sometimes they forget stuff like that. This looks like a table. Safe. Oh, instead of it being in the closet, there's a safe that is like this. I've never seen something like this. Ooh, kind of hard to open if you have long nails. This is nice. They gave us a lager and MSC beer, branded beer. It's pretty cool. They have their own beer. And of course, my favorite part and where I like to spend most of my days, the balcony. Let's take a look. It's like a maze to get out. Ooh, the water is beautiful. Gorgeous. Also, a normal balcony. This is the inaugural cruise, so there's a good chance that actually no one's probably even stayed in this room before. So that's an honor. So beautiful, but the driving here is literally absolutely insane. But now I need to go have myself a drink to calm my nerves down after that drive. Average size TV. It's pretty high. Let's see if it swivels. Ooh, it swivels though. Oh, and it comes, ooh, that's nice. It comes all the way out, which I love because if you're laying here or if you're sitting here, you can swivel the TV. That is really good. I hate when it's in an awkward place and then you can't even maneuver it. Ooh, humongous mirror. How did I miss this when I walked in? Humongous mirror. I love this. I'm a huge mirror girly. Very convenient to have such a humongous mirror like this. And then let's look at the closet space. So one side, we have all your little cupboards and drawers. On the other side, let's see. Okay, there's 18 hangers. Oh, and some baggies, and you can do laundry. You can ask them to do your laundry. Let's see the prices. That is a very nice offering that you can fill out this form and get your outfits ironed, because on cruises I'm always wrinkled pretty much because you pack away your clothes and there's no iron in the room. I don't know why that is. I guess fire hazard, what have you. Between dry cleaning and ironing, washing and ironing, or ironing only. So very convenient, especially if you have kids and stuff. I imagine they get pretty dirty. I don't have none of those, but I imagine they get kind of dirty. So you might need to wash some stuff, and there's the bag for that. They include the pool and beach towel in here. Return it to your stateroom, or it'll be replaced with a clean towel for each towel. So if you don't return both these towels, that's $60. When I get to the pool, I have like a one-track mind. I go get in the water, get out, and I'm like, now I gotta go find the towel area to collect my towel, and da-da-da-da-da. Pretty cool that it's already here. When you're done, leave it here. They'll replace it with a new clean towel. But just don't take them home and don't lose them at the beach. Let's talk about how many outlets they have around. USB-C on each side of the bed. That's very cool. Both sides. So you can tell, I feel like everything that's new is catering towards USB-C these days, which works for me because that's what my phone takes. But the problem is I also have cords that are USB-C on one end and then USB on the other end. So keep that in mind. On both sides of the bed, it is USB-C. But over here we have two different outlets. There's a USB one, and then there's still an extra USB-C. Not every ship includes a European option. Here is the blow dryer. I've been looking through the room trying to see, and of course it's in the one drawer I did not open. Something interesting, it's already connected, so you don't have to plug it in. Let's see. Yep.